Started now. So with sad hurt and remorse, we have to say that we are hosts for this event today.
And we are promising that we'll keep you people depressed in the end of the event.
And we'll try our best to convert this event into a big blunder.
So let's meet him. He is PJ Gandhi. Yeah, give a big round of applause. And you know what? It's not poor joke. It's worse. It's poor judge. And you know what? This guy has nothing to do with Gandhi. He has used this surname just to show the people that his IQ level is much, much lower than how Gandhi would perform. You know what, guys? The day he was born, his parents realized one thing, that accidents happen. And one more thing, he is so turkey, so much turkey, that he was having a beautiful girlfriend, beautiful, gorgeous. And she broke up with him, and I asked him, and I asked him, what was the reason? And he said, "Bhai, maza nahi aaya."
Oh, as if you are a Loknath, right? Let me, his name is Atul. You know the name of his meaning is? Uncomparable. सही में अतुलनीय है ये. Let me tell you about his lecherous and lustful thoughts. You know what happened yesterday? Yesterday he called up customer care center of Delhi Jal Board, and a female operator picked up the call, and she offered him 2-3 options in Hindi. शक्ल देख के लगती नहीं है इसको इंग्लिश आती होगी. So like हमें ऑप्शन मिलते हैं, एक दबाइए बिल संबंधी सुविधाओं के लिए, 2 दबाइए मीटर में खराबी के लिए. तो ये भाई साहब कहते हैं आपसे बात करने के लिए क्या दबाएं बताओ. दिल्ली जल बोर्ड की महिलाओं को भी इन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा.
At least I'm trying my best. But Gandhi, you are so dumb. I said, Gandhi, it is not your cup of tea. You're not going to perform today. And you know what? I said you are going to piss in your pants. And today he came out wearing Huggies.
What the hell you are talking about? At least I wear Huggies. You don't even wear that. Without underwear. Let me recall one more incident. What happened yesterday? I saw him standing at the exit gate of metro station Rajouri Garden. No, let me reveal. He was standing at the exit gate of metro station Rajouri Garden. You know what he was doing? The beautiful girls who are, coming downstairs from the stairs of metro station, उनको बोलता है, आओ रिक्शा शेयर करें, ऑडियो पॉलिसी डाउनलोड करें. रिक्शा में कौन सी ऑडियो पॉलिसी चल रही है बताओ पहले. Should I tell something more? It's just for fun. तू है सोने की बोतल,
मैं बंटा मेरा,
मैं हैंडल करूं,
मैं डंटा तेरा, मेरे दिल के मोबाइल पे तू अनलिमिटेड प्लान हो गया. ओ मैं तेरा
तेरा
जबरा फैन हो गया.
चला भाई.